Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah ma ba'du. Kaifa halukum? Alhamdulillah. Okay. Are you ready for learning?
Yes.
About the agreement, everyone wear the shoes. Okay, no sandal in this class. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, before we begin, let me check your attendance. Andi Mulka? Sick? What this is?
For the check, for the medical check.
Medical check-up.
Medical check.
Went home.
Yeah.
Malik Zidni, Fikri, Fatih, Beril, Solah, Fadli Ezan, Hatta. Okay, everyone present except Andi Mulka, ya. Yeah. Inshallah today we will continue our learning about the photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Yeah. So in this topic we will have some activities. Yeah. Of course, yeah. In using your discovery education, we will read every to add our knowledge about the photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Yeah, and of course, with, to increase our knowledge, yeah, we need some activities. First, inshallah, like before, yeah, we will use these atom models, yeah, to demonstrate the chemistry reaction in the photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Inshallah, it will have more understanding, yeah. And second, yeah, after reading and discussion between the team with your team, yeah, you will present your understanding using smart whiteboard. Yeah, inshallah we will go to meeting room. Yeah, and after that, inshallah we will have some experiment. Yeah, we will have some experiment. There are, yeah, some tools, and if you bring the inshallah we will use this one. Yeah, this is, as you can see, this is actually the result of the product from the photosynthesis. Yeah, pati jagung is the name of this product. Yeah, actually it is the starch. Yeah, starch is the product from photosynthesis. Okay, this is the result photosynthesis from corn. Yeah, corn. That's why it's called by cornstarch. Yeah, and we will use this, yeah, as the material for making bioplastic. Yeah, plastic, as we know, this is the tools many people need this, yeah, to use every day, and that's why plastic make trash that cannot recycle or need many times. Yeah, meaning just to recycle using bio or microba, yeah, microorganism in the ground, and that's why if we make the bioplastic using this product, yeah, using the photosynthesis product, yeah, the bioplastic we use, it will when it will be the trash, yeah, it will be easy respiration, yeah, for microorganism, yeah. Okay, this is what we want to make for our experiment in this topic. Before we begin, any question? No? Okay. So let me check your knowledge, your prior knowledge about the photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Okay. We begin from Solar. Okay, Solar, father, what did you know about the photosynthesis and cellular respiration?
My knowledge about the photosynthesis is photosynthesis is used by plants to make their foods using light from the sun and using the hydrogen H2O or water, and then using organic molecules like carbon dioxide and using and then that is and then those processes occurs in plants leaf or chloroplast in chlorophyll.
Okay, good prior knowledge. Thank you, Salah. And Beryl, what you know? Just summarize, yeah. Just the point.
Photosynthesis, there are two steps. The first one is like dependent reaction, and the second one is like independent reaction, or we also known as Calvin cycle. Photosynthesis use light energy and convert it to light energy and carbon dioxide and convert to glucose and water.
Okay. Okay, enough. Thank you, Beryl. Next, Malik.
So photosynthesis is this photosynthesis is apa sih perbuatan
The process.
process that plants use for making their own food. They're making their own food because the plants is included to the autotrophs, where the autotrophs means can make food by itself using the anorganic molecules. Like the photosynthesis use the carbon dioxide and H2O molecule, and the reaction happen in the chloroplast, in the chlorophyll cell, the plant cell. Then the byproduct is the oxygen and the glucose. So that's the byproduct of the photosynthesis.
Okay, good. Adli?
From my what I know from photosynthesis is the process that plants do to make food for themselves. It's like convert 6 molecule of carbon and 6 molecule of water into molecule of glucose, and then give out the oxygen to the outer world. They like filtering the carbon dioxide and make it to oxygen.
Okay. Fikri?
So photosynthesis is a metabolism process in plants, which is to convert like energy and then the carbon dioxide and then H2O onto the oxygen and the organic molecules like glucose, and it occurs in the chloroplast, and it's have two stages, which is like dependent reaction and Calvin cycle. And also for the cellular respirations, it is related onto the photosynthesis because photosynthesis is produce oxygen and H2O, oxygen and glucose, which will be used by cellular respiration to convert these molecules onto the carbon dioxide and the others, which it is a never-ending cycle.
Okay, good. That?
So as I know about the photosynthesis is it's a process that plants do for making their own food, like carbohydrates, by using the light energy, carbon dioxide, and water molecules. And the result of the photosynthesis also is carbohydrates, or you can say the glucose molecule, and also the byproduct is oxygen. And the photosynthesis is divided into two: is the light-dependent reaction, and also the light-dependent reaction, or you can say the Calvin cycle. And then there's also another reaction, process is called cellular respiration. When the cellular respiration is producing ATP by using the carbohydrates and also the oxygen, and the byproduct is the carbon dioxide.
Okay, good.
So what I've understood from our learning process is that photosynthesis is a very long process done by plants, autotrophs, to produce their food, in which this process consists of two reactions, in which is light dependent and light independent reaction. Throughout this entire reaction, it processed 6 carbon dioxide molecules, 6 carbon dioxide atoms, and 6 atoms of water, and then aided by the light energy, in which at the end of this process, it resulted in glucose and oxygen atoms. And then the cellular respiration, this is a separate process, quite the reverse of photosynthesis. As we know, the photosynthesis resulted in glucose, but cellular respiration processed glucose in order to then get energy. So these two processes is a never-ending cycle, and they are both related with each other.
Okay, good job, mashallah ya, barakallahu fikum. I think this is the result of your good self-assessment ya, your good study cycle. I think you are reading seriously at the night or outside the class, and yeah, very good ya. It will make us can learning faster ya, and we can discuss and do many things that's not just in the class reading or listening to my explanation. No, yeah, we can do many things. Yeah, that's fun, and of course it will increase our knowledge about the biology. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, now we will move to the next step. Yeah. Okay, first please use the glove, yeah. Make sure you are safe in this experiment. Okay, look at this. We have cornstarch, yeah. This is the product of photosynthesis, yeah. So we can make it to, we can use it to make bioplastic, yeah. Because the starch, it contain a polysaccharida, yeah, polysaccharida, and when the polysaccharida is mixed by water, yeah, it will change the chemical reaction in here, yeah, chemical bond, and it will change it to be more like gel. Nah, but the gel is still rigid, yeah, like the plants, like the plant cell, yeah, in generally. So we need the glycerin, yeah. The glycerin will make it more flexible, yeah, more flexible. And the last, we will use the vinegar, yeah. It will make it more, the texture will be more good, yeah. Nah, and to mix it, we will need the first. Don't forget, yeah, to measure, and to mix it, we have the magnetic stirrer, yeah. Okay, we will use this to make the solution. Yeah, and for bowling, yeah, we will use this. Yeah, we can control the temperature from this. Yeah, I think Fikri has familiar, yeah, to use these tools. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask in the process. Okay, can we begin? Okay, let's start.
Taruh dulu.
Udah ini gitu. Are. Terus dikasih berapa? Satu. Berapa mili?
10.
Berapa mili? 5. Bisarin. Dua-dua 5 nih.
Ya itu belum di depan nih.
Panas mungkin meledak. Atau mungkin ini tepungnya kurang? Tepungnya kurang?
Udah mau cut ya.
Ini nggak jadi ya.
Muani. Itu nggak kedikitan itu. Itu beda ya.
Muan nih, Rek. Karbon.
Metal.
Karbon.
Oh iya.
Tempel kartu lagi. Tengok nih. Canggih. Ini masa depan.
Who will be the first presenter?
Ricky.
prostat. Kalau APT, APT, adenosine, fosfat.
Okay, attention please. This all which will help you to explain. First, this is periodic table, yeah. And the second, okay, sorry. And this one is like pending reaction, and after that, this is Kelvin cycle. And if you want to continue, you can put it to this one, yeah. This one is cellular respiration for glycolysis process, and then after that, this one is decarbonylation oxidative, then Krebs cycle, electron transfer chain, and this is the summary of cellular respiration result. Yeah, which one you explain, Adol, yeah. But if you need more space, yeah, you can move it to another side, yeah. And you may use many tools here to explain your understanding. Education. Okay, now who want to be the first presenter?
Glucose will be formed and will be changed onto the glucose 6-phosphate by hexokinase enzyme, which will take one phosphate from ATP, which means the output of this process is ADP because one phosphate is taken from ATP, and there will be ADP. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this morning, I will explain to you guys about glycolysis. So, before we start explaining about the detail of the stage of the glycolysis is a process to break down glucose onto the two pyruvate, which occurs in the cytoplasm. And there will be 2 ATP used and 4 ATP formed. And I will explain to you guys with more detail. First, glucose is carbon 6, H12, and O6. Glucose will be formed and will be changed onto the glucose 6-phosphate by hexokinase enzyme, which will take one phosphate from ATP, which means the output of this process is ADP because one phosphate is taken from ATP, and there will be ADP. Next, glucose 6-phosphate will be changed onto the fructose 6-phosphate by using phosphoglucose isomerase. This process, a change of the structure will be the carbon, the CHO, there will be moved onto the left side, yeah, and it will be a fructose 6-phosphate, which is different by glucose. And after this process, fructose 6-phosphate will be changed onto the fructose 1.6 phosphate, B-phosphate, by phosphofructokinase. This process also will take one phosphate from ATP, which means the output is ADP. And the name is fructose 1.6 B-phosphate, which means the phosphate will bond onto the first carbon and 6 carbon. And from this process, fructose 1.6 B-phosphate will be divided onto the two molecules by aldolase enzyme. And these molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroacetone phosphate. And dihydroacetone phosphate will be changed onto the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate using 3-phosphatase isomerase, which means there will be a 2 molecules of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. And after that, there will be a change onto the 1.3 phosphate by this enzyme, glyceraldehyde phosphate dehydrogenase, which means there will be an output of 2 hydrogen ions, and ADP will be the output will be NADPH. And after that will be changed onto the 3-phosphoglycerate by enzyme phosphoglycerate synthase. And also there will be a change of the structure. And after that, will be changed onto the 2-phosphoglycerate, because the phosphate will be bound onto the 2 carbon, different from before, which is bound onto the 3 carbon. And after that, it will be changed onto the phosphoenol pyruvate by enolase, and there will be a reductase because H2O will be taken from this process. And the last process is pyruvate kinase, which will be the last product is pyruvate. And the summarize is glucose is to breaks down glucose onto glycolysis to breaks down glucose into 2 pyruvate, and 2 ATP will 2 LTP will be taken, and 4 ATP will be formed, and also there will be Na2 NADH. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Subsequently, it's done for glycolysis. Glycolysis, yeah? We still have explain. Okay, second, next. For Fadir and Salah and Rick and Bukan, you can try to understand from your friend explanation, yeah? Because you are not here yesterday. Okay, next group. Which one you want to explain?
Like dependent reaction.
Dependent reaction, mashallah. Good job. Okay, you can zoom in to this using two finger, using finger. Ya, boleh.
Boleh presentasiin yang udah dipresentasikan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I want to explain about like different reaction. Like different reaction. So the first one that happen is photosystem 2, which is the light or the photon molecule is like masuk
Input.
yeah, go to the chlorophyll and the thylakoid and going to the thylakoid and trigger the electron. So the electron is uh, pass to transport in the electron transport chain, and in the photosystem 2 before tadi pakai ini oke dong. Tadi kan ada cahaya kan masuk, nah air kan juga masuk, nah airnya ini di convert jadi oksigen sama hidrogen ion. Nah terus ya oksigennya keluar jadi byproduct, hidrogennya masih di dalam, ntar buat dipakai lagi buat phosphorylation. Nah ini this electron while transport in the electron transport chain, the energy that it receive from the light energy is become weaker, and in the photosystem 1 the electron is ibaratnya dikasih energi lagi lah, ini kan ada cahaya masuk lagi nih gitu. Jadi dikasih energi lagi. Nah ini tadi yang energi yang yang bikin elektron yang lemah ini kan energi diambil buat buat ngebantu ADP buat ngebantu merubah ADP ke ATP di photosynthesis. Nah ini masuk elektron yang dari sini masuk ke photosystem 1, terus diperkuat lagi sama light energinya, terus habis itu ini masuk ke elektronnya, masuk lagi ke elektron transport chain yang kedua. NADP plus reductase di bawahnya ada NADP plus reductase. Nah, terus di sini elektronnya itu dipakai sama hidrogen ion sama NADP buat diubah jadi NADPH. Terus pas di sini kan ini NADPH. Nah tadi kan ada ADP nih yang dihasilin sama ini energi yang ini ada ADP. Nah ADP-nya ini dipakai buat ngubah ATP. Nah terus ini kan ada unbalance concentration di dalam sini sama di luar sini kan nggak balance lah, soalnya tadi kan hidrogennya ada yang masuk dari sini, jadi ya harusnya nggak balance kan. Nah hidrogen yang kelebihan di sini itu masuk dari ini namanya ATP sintese, masuk ke dalam sini biar balance lagi gitu. Nah ini NADPH sama ATP ini nanti dipakai buat di Calvin cycle atau like independent reaction. Nah, that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, this morning I will present to you guys about Calvin cycle. Nggak gede-gede. Okay. As from the picture we can see that there is 3 input of carbon dioxide, and then it's receive some ATP to produce ADP plus PI, yeah. And then from the
PI itu panjangannya apa?
PI,
Fosfat.
phosphate. Okay. It's receive phosphate in the third carbon. It's bonding with phosphoroglycerate. Glycerate. Okay. It's receive ATP and produce ADP plus PI. Okay. And then on the next step, the bisphosphoglycerate, it's bonding again on the first carbon and the first carbon and the sixth carbon, and then receive an NADPH, and then create an ADP plus. Okay, and that's on the first phase.
Carbon fixation.
Yeah, carbon fixation. And the second phase, it's reduction. I don't know why it's reduction. The third carbon, G3P, glucose and other organic compounds. Okay. Gitu lah. And then it's produce the output like the glucose, oxygen, and anything else that's other organic compound. And then on the phase 3, it's a regeneration of RUBP. It's receive ATP again and produce ADP, PI plus PI. Okay, and the RUBP, I don't know, it's bonding with the 6 carbon and first carbon. So the output of Calvin cycle is as glucose that will be the process on the third process, it's glucolysis. Okay, the glucolysis. Okay. So that's from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good. Do you understand what the Calvin cycle? Yes. Yeah. Do you know this one RUBP? What atom is it?
Carbon.
Yeah, carbon. Yeah. This is carbon. Yeah. How many carbon here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So in the first, this RUBP is always there. Yeah, it's always in Calvin cycle. So in the first one, in carbon fixation, Rubisco, this is enzyme, will change RUBP to phosphoglycerate, and it needs 1 carbon atom. Yeah. So to make to be this one, yeah, it will need 1 CO2, yeah. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6 carbon. It's called by carbon fixation because they are adding 1 carbon atoms. And then, as you can see, this is the process, yeah. It will need energy, yeah. In Calvin cycle, need energy. That's why in light reaction, will produce many energy from the light reaction. Using the sunlight power. And beside of that, of course, in ADPH, yeah, This also will give the energy. For what? To make what? This one, yeah, glucose and other compound. And then in the phase 3 will be regeneration, yeah. So making glucose will be in phase 2, yeah, in reduction. Why it's named by reduction? Because reduce the carbon molecules, yeah. Why it need to reduce? Because glucose need carbon. How many carbon? Six. That's why to make one glucose molecule, it's need three CO2. Yeah. Sorry. To make glucose, it's need 6 atom C. Yeah. And in one process, it's need 3 CO2. Yeah. So to make one glucose molecule, it need 2 Kelvin cycle. Yeah, 2 cycles. Okay. Understood? Any question?
Jadi gitunya P1 itu kayak ngefixkan gitu ini berapa
Yeah, adding carbon molecule, carbon atom.
terus phase kedua membuat
Glucose
ya,
and other organic compound like oxygen, yeah, water and other.
terus phase ketiga buat ngebenerin.
Yeah. Regeneration, yeah, because RBB will always there. Okay, next. Actually, you just need to pinch, yeah. Set.
Masa depan nih gak usah 5 tahun biarkan pencet.
Okay, next.
Bisa beli glukosis lagi nggak?
Yeah, of course, sure.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I want to explain to you the glycolysis process. Okay.
Zumi please like you did please you did ya.
Okay. The glycolysis is begin with boleh bawa So the glycolysis has 10 stepwise. So the first stepwise is glycolysis is has a 6 carbon glucose. So the six carbon glucose will broken down into 2 free carbon molecules. So at the first time the 6 carbon glucose has 6 carbon molecules, and then into the next step the 6 carbon glucose molecule will broken into 2 free carbon molecules, and then each of free carbon molecules is called purified. So the two free carbon molecules in each is called purified. And a different enzyme is required for each of this reaction. During the first step of glycolysis, 2 molecules of ATP is required. So the glycolysis is need 2 ATP for investigation for another more ATP. And then at the next step, ATP molecule will lose one phosphate and becoming the adenosine diphosphate or ADP. So of course the ATP will change into ADP that has just two phosphate. And then when the bond between the second and third phosphate is broken, energy is released. After that, this energy helps the steps of glycolysis continue forward. Okay. The next is the main purpose of cellular respiration is to release energy.
Record all.
So there's a change from a 1.3 bisphosphoglycerate onto the 3 phosphoglycerate with phosphoglycerate kinase, which means that the ADP adenosine diphosphate needs a 1 phosphate to create adenosine triphosphate. So 1 phosphate from this structure will be taken to make ATP.
Can you draw it like in here? This one is phosphoglycerate. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what changed?
What change is there the phosphate will be out taken
Mm-hmm.
and there is still 1 phosphate
Mm-hmm.
on the carbon 3.
Okay. Is taken by?
Yeah, onto the ATP.
Can you draw it? How ADP into ATP? Can you draw it? Just draw A and 2 phosphate.
Oh,
And then change to be 3 phosphate. Yes, like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, everyone can understand it? Yeah. So from B-phosphoglycerate, yeah. From Vickery explanation, 1 phosphate is taken by ADP. So ADP changes to be ATP, yeah. And this one just have 1 phosphate. Okay, easy, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Can we continue?
This because of enzyme pyruvate kinase, it remove phosphate. To make the ATP.
Yeah. Just make a new draw.
Okay.
Okay. Before
Before is this, like this.
there are phosphate. There is phosphate
there
in the
is
second
phosphate.
carbon.
Carbon.
Okay. And
Nah,
then
because of enzyme pyruvate
pyruvate
kinase,
kinase
it
remove
the phosphate.
phosphate.
Okay.
And then
it becomes pyruvate.
where the phosphate?
Oh.
Can you explain what happened to the phosphate?
Become ATP. Yes.
Become ATP?
Eh?
Yeah.
Become ATP. Yeah.
So ADP into ATP.
Yeah, ATP into ATP.
Okay, from 2 phosphate into 3 phosphate.
Yes.
Okay. So the last product is
Pyruvate.
pyruvate. Okay, good job. Thank you very much.
Okay, so for the proteins, the result is the 2-phosphoglycerate, and for the next step is there's an enzyme called analyzer.
Okay.
So for the 2-phosphoglycerate, because of the enzyme analyzer, it will remove the H2O molecule, H2O, or you can say the molecule, a water molecule. So you can say, you can see there is the two H and O and oxygen and hydrogen on the second carbon, and after that, because of the enzyme analyzer, and it will remove the H2O. So on the carbon on the third carbon, it will remove the H2O on the third carbon. So the result is the phosphoenol pyruvate, or you can say PEP.
Ui, good job, Hatta.
Previous process, the result is 3-phosphoglycerate, right? So the next process would be the 2-phosphoglycerate. So what's happening here is the enzyme, the phosphoglycerate mutase enzyme, it changes the structure. So earlier it was on the third carbon, right? Right here. This is the phosphate right here. Now the enzyme changes the structure, makes it so that the phosphate is attached to
Okay.
this one.
To the second carbon.
Yep. And then it results to the 2-phosphoglycerate.
Okay, good. Thank you, Fatih. Understood? Okay. Okay. Before we test our knowledge from our learning about the photosynthesis, we will review it together using games, So it will make this more fun, I will use the bamboozle and you will walk in team, Before you will test your knowledge by your own self, not in team. Okay. You guys are ready in every team, so we will begin. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin from team 1. Choose the number.
Number
7. Okay, where is the light reaction occurs? The product from the light reaction. Oxygen. Oxygen and NADP. Oxygen, just oxygen. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, good. And IDP, oxygen, and one more. Yes, ATP. Okay, but good job, Next, team 2. 14. Okay, this process X and Y. This one and this one. X is RUBP and Y
Is the produce of oxygen?
sugar. Are you sure? Sugar. Yeah, let's check it out. PGAL, because here is what occurs here. Okay, phase 1 is carbon fixation. The second, reduction and regeneration. Don't forget. The glucose is here, yeah, here. Because this is the product, and about this is the cycle, yeah, the cycle. And for to make one glucose molecule, it needs 2 cycles, yeah. Don't forget about that. Okay, good job, but yeah. Anyway, okay, I'll give you the point. Okay, third. 9. Photon. Light energy can absorb colored by photon. Good. Team 1 again. 12. Okay. You have good luck, yeah. 6. What is chemosynthesis? Chemo similar to chemistry. Synthesis is yes. So chemosynthesis is chemistry reaction. Give up? Give up? Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, good job, yeah. Yeah, chemosynthesis is chemistry reaction, but using organic materials. Team 3. 5. Oxygen produced in light reaction, light dependent reaction. Good job, yeah. Light reaction, yeah, in photolysis. Okay, good. Team 1 again. 4. Best. Kelvin cycle. Carbon fixation, reduction, regeneration. Okay, masya Allah, ya. Number 3. Where is Kelvin cycle occurs? Thylakoid. There are two places, yeah. First thylakoid and the second is forgot. Give up. Thylakoid. Okay. No, in stroma, ya. Thylakoid. What occurs in thylakoid? Light reaction, ya, not Kelvin cycle. Oops. Team 3. 15. Thylakoid. Thylakoid is what is it? Yeah, 1 pack of grana. Yeah, but it's okay, yeah. Still okay.
Number
11. This is tough, guys. Team 2. 13. Yeah. What we know is Grana, Tilapoid, Stroma, but actually it's happened in Chloroplast. Good job. Eight. What the function of chlorophyll? To absorb light energy. Yeah, good. Okay, the last session. Number one. Such experiment. To prove what? Yeah, to prove photosynthesis, but what is? Just guessing. Request energy. No. To prove that photosynthesis produce starch. Tim 2. 2. Cyclic is Kelvin cycle, non-cyclic. Cyclic non-cyclus, non-cycle, ya. Non-cycle is it's mean just guessing. Come on. Forgot. Give up. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, just 1 and 2. It's easy, ya. Glass. Okay, good job, guys. Yeah, it's mean some question you still need to review, ya, to know what it is. So please now I'll give you the time to review, ya. Please open Discovery Education in review, ya. There are some summary about the photosynthesis, ya. Please read it first before we begin the test, ya. Alhamdulillah, you have complete test for photosynthesis. Yeah, you have good grades. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, good result from our learning. But it still need to. Yeah, we still have many improvement. Yeah, need improvement from some point. Yeah, we will discuss it later. But yeah, for today, congratulations, you are done the good. You have good job, yeah. Okay, thank you very much. And before we end our learning, guys, attention please. Okay, you can continue your discussion later, yeah. Attention please for now. Later, yeah. For your study cycle, your Pasca KBN, please continue your research, yeah, about the bioplastic and how to maximize the photosynthesis product, yeah. Please make more research, yeah, about this. And for your para KBM, yeah, please you can start to read for cellular respiration topics, yeah. You can, please complete all assignment in cellular respiration engage, yeah, in discovery education. Any question before of that? Nothing? Okay. And don't forget to complete the feedback in films, yeah. Any question? Yeah, please now open the films and complete the feedback. Yeah, thank you very much. Nahtatim alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Yeah, you may to exit the class after you complete the feedback. Kafaratul majlis, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.